In today's digital world, it's important to always protect your online accounts from fraud and phishing. Phishing is a type of cyber attack where criminals send emails and text messages that appear to be from a legitimate source, such as bank or credit card. These emails or texts often contain a link that, when clicked, takes the victim to a fake website that looks like a really website. Once a victim enters their personal information on the website, the cyber criminals can steal from your online accounts. Fraud is another type of cyber attack where criminals use deception to trick victims into giving them money or your personal information required to hack into your online personal accounts. Cyber attackers can pose like telecommunication officials or bank officials and ask victims for their bank details or their mobile money details. There are a number of things you can do to protect your online accounts from phishing and fraud. One of the most important things you can do to protect yourself online is using authentication apps. These apps use artificial intelligence to scan your emails and text messages for signs of phishing and fraud. If the app detects phishing or fraud attempts, it will block the email or text message from reaching your inbox. There are a number of AI authentication apps. Some of the most popular authentication apps include Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and your mobile auth. These apps work in a way that when you first set them up, you will be asked to scan a QR code or enter a security code. Once the app is set up, it will generate a time-based one-time password, commonly known as TOTP, that you can use to log in into your account or accounts. Here are steps on how to use AI authentication apps to protect your online accounts from phishing and fraud. In this video, I'm going to be using Google Authentication app as an example. Step number 1, download the Google Authenticator from Google Play Store or App Store. Step 2, open the app and create an account. Step 3, scan the QR code displayed on your mobile device or on your computer. Step 4, enter a 6-digit code that is displayed on your mobile phone in the verification field of your computer or your mobile device. 5, enable the two-factor authentication for your accounts. Now, when you log into an account that has two-factor authentication enabled, the Google Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code in the verification field. Complete the login process. Congratulations, you have now upgraded your online account security. If this video has been of help to you, kindly don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss out any valuable videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.